Hi guys, this is Sanish Nemalkanti, and today I'm going to be doing a presentation on global energy and its economic impact. So, global warming poses a critical threat to our planet, with it being responsible for the impact on quality of life of people, and it's also responsible for destroying various animal habitats, causing them to be endangered. But the traditional climate change strategies, which are good, but they often fail to consider the relation between the economic indicators and the energy patterns, which can be quite ineffective while considering to plan strategies to reduce global warming. So, by doing this, by including the energy indicators and economic patterns in this app, I aim to provide stakeholders and policymakers to effectively plan their strategies to reduce the global warming while also mitigating its negative effect on the economy. Dataset I'm going to be using has data which ranges from 2000s to 2020, and it also includes various economic indicators such as renewable energy, carbon emissions, and energy consumption for each country. And it also has each country's GDP, industrial output, and the energy pricing, which can be used to plan our strategies more effectively. So this is the prototype of my app. In this, I have a map filter which shows carbon emission production per year for each country, and below it the line graph indicates the type of energy production which was done by each country from a range of years. For example, if you look at the red line, it shows the non-renewable energy, and the green line shows the renewable energy. So we could look at how the energy production change for each country over time. And it also has a GDP economic indicator graph at the bottom, bar graph. And the graph next to the map shows what type of energy is used by the country in that particular year. And the graph next to the line graph shows the industrial output and the energy pricing of that country, which can be used as an economic indicator as well. As for features, I have an interactive map where users can view energy consumption geographically, and for charts, I have various line and bar graphs where users can track changes in energy production and the usage of renewable energy and the emissions released by each country over time. And users can use this to view how the changes in the energy production and the production increase in production of renewable energy has affected the GDP and the pricing of the energy by this. And I also have a filter which can filter based on country and year. For questions, I have two, which are what type of strategies has been effective to get and include the user feedback into the app more effectively, and how can I make sure the app can be used by everyone and it's easy to learn and use. And for the problems I faced, I had to make sure the application is easy to use and can be used by anyone without prior knowledge of the data. And for scalability, I think the issue with the application relevancy, as more users mean more demand, as tending to more users meaning I have to include a regional data and economic data demanding to more sectors. So it becomes a problem as the data becomes more complex and it becomes hard to scale. So those are my anticipated problems. Thank you.